add your video into CapCut on your MacBook or Windows laptop. So it will be pretty useful for you. So the first step is just to open CapCut and then click on the Start Creating button right up here to create a new project. And here we can see our app window. The next step we need to do is just to import our video. Here we can see the import area. So to add our video to this app, just click on the import to the plus button. And here we can choose the video we want to add. I have this video on my desktop. This one. No, this one. And to edit, just click on the import button. So here our video appeared, and to add it on our timeline, we just need to drag the material right up here for our timeline. So as you can see, our video was successfully edited. In my future video, I will show you more features of this app, so you can view this using the playlist. Guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comment. Goodbye!